Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you uh, how to find or highlight least 5 values in a list. Okay. For example, in this product, I have a product and quantity and different products here and the quantity list here. Okay. So I am going to find out what are the least values in this quantity list. Okay, for that what I can do is I can simply copy, and this is the manual method I am telling you, and you just highlight and go to the sort and for the selection. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by quantity from smallest to the largest, and my data as headers product and quantity, so that these two cells will be omitted while sorted, and sort it out. Then I will know that okay, these 5 or least 5 values in my list after sorting. But unfortunately the product order is not the same. It will change because you are changing the quantity order. Okay, so these 5 values are the least 5 quantity products in the list. Okay, how you are going to identify that one in the list without changing the order of product? Okay, so this is we have a conditional formatting helps here to identify the least 5 values. How to do that? Okay, you first where is the conditional formatting? It is in the home conditional formatting. Okay, this will highlight a particular column cell according to a condition. Okay, there are many conditions you can build on. I will start up with the smaller ones, then we will move to advanced ones. First I will start a straightforward ones, so the least values and the top values are straightforward ones. So what I am going to do is I am going to apply a conditional formatting. Before that, where do I want to apply the conditional formatting? I want to apply the conditional formatting on the B column. So I just select the cells, then go to the conditional formatting. If the cell set is the whole column or the many values there, then you can also highlight and select the whole column. Now in this case only 10 cells, so I select the 10 cells column, go to the top bottom rules. So top bottom rules, I am going to identify what is the bottom items. So bottom 10 items. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I need a least 5 items. So bottom 5 items, I'm going to modify 10 items to 5 items. I'm going to select conditional formatting top bottom rules menu, then I will go to the bottom 10 items. Okay, in the bottom 10 items, click there, then you will see a question window. Bottom 10 items, how many items you want to calculate? I want to calculate not the bottom 5, I want only bottom 5, sorry, not bottom 10, I want bottom 5. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to put it on red fill and dark text. This one you can change anything here, or you can also select the custom format. This one you can play around later, but I just select the light red fill is okay for me. Okay, then I select OK. In this case you see the bottom 5 list is come up with red color. Okay, you can see this is the thing. Product D, yes. Product J 30, yes. Product G 40, yes. Product C, which is 49, and also product B 50. So these are all the 5 items you can select. Least 5 items is selected in the given list. Okay, what will happen? I change this 150 50 to 150, enter. See it, color is changed, and the list moved to the next item, because 150, which is not the list, so it moved to 49, 30, 54 comes in now, product F. But in this case of manual sorting, you change this item 50 to 150. Is it moving? It's not moving, you see. So the manual sorting and finding the least 5, you must be very careful. You need to repeat the action again and again. But in this case, when you put a condition, it will automatically highlights the value whenever the value changes in the list. Okay, so I change back this one to 50. 54 has gone, but 50 is highlighted. Okay, what will happen? I have another, this is the quantity for month Jan, say for example. Okay, now I also have a quantity for month quantity for month for February. Okay, 1,333,856. I put bigger numbers. Okay, this is the another set. What will happen? I want to do the same thing for a not individual column, for the two sets of array. Okay, is it possible? Okay, let's find out is possible or not. Okay, now I am going to find the least in the whole set, not only in the Jan or February. Okay, so how can I do that one? Okay, before that, you already added a rule in these columns. You remove the rules in this column first. Conditional formatting, clear rules from the selected cells. I clear the rule first. Okay, now I have the whole set. Now I select the full set. Okay, for quantity for Jan and quantity for Feb. Then go to the conditional formatting, add bottom 10 items. Okay, I want to select only the minimum 5 items, and put my highlight color is the light red, or this. Now I may put a green. Okay, green, list 5 items, and see, oh, there is nothing in the list for the February, because all of them are 3-digit numbers. Okay, what I'm going to do is I just make this one as just 8. You see, only 4 items in the list in the month of Jan, but February 1. So all put together is 5 items. So this way you can put conditional formatting for not only one column. You can put it for multiple columns. Okay, and I change this one to 149, and this one C7. So it keeps changing. Whenever you change the values, it is also keep changing. And the whole set, what is the least item? This is the rule. You want for particular months, then that is also possible. You first clear the rules. Okay, then go to the first list, create a rule for this month, least 5 items, list 5 item of that month, red fill, and again create a rule for month of February separately. Okay. So now you see, this is the 5 items least in the month of January, and this is the 5 items least in the month of February. When I change this one to 1033, it changes within the quantity of for month February, least 5 item. Okay, now you may ask me, hey, this is I wanted only 5 items but it's showing 6. Yes, least 5 items you wanted it, but you have 2 items having the same value. That's why it is showing in the least 5 list, because the least 5 values are 8, 7, 8, 123, 300 and 435, but 435 is repeated in 2 products, so it is showing twice. When you make a small change here, 35 to 36, you will find only 5 items. Okay, this is the way you can create you can highlight or find at least 5 items or 10 items, whichever number of items you wanted in a list, or in list separately, or all the list put together. Okay, this I hope this video is helpful to you. I will see you on the next video. Enjoy working on Excel. Bye.